Hello and welcome everyone. Before getting started with today's video, it's time for my daily holiday giveaway, and today I'm giving away a portable work LED light. This is a great light for any of you DIYers or car modders. This light is very portable and it does not need any wire connected to it. It has a rechargeable battery inside, so you could recharge it and use it at any time. And all you guys have to do to enter into this giveaway is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment down below on this video. And I'll be deciding the winners for this giveaway and all my previous giveaways as well on December 31st, 2018. So please stay tuned for that by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Now let's get started with the spark plug change. Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes Benz ML550, and today we're going to be changing the spark plugs. So this particular engine is the M273 and it uses one spark plug per cylinder, so you need 8 spark plugs for the job. As far as spark plugs, I cannot emphasize enough that do not cheap out on this. Do not go to an auto store and get the cheapest one that you can. You want to make sure you get the OE spec. If not, just go straight OEM and get it from Mercedes. I have the original Mercedes Benz spark plugs that are made for my engine, the M273 for the 550 motors. As far as the tools and everything I'm using, I'll have it listed down below in my description box. And this is a tool set I really prefer. It has mostly everything I need for this job. I have the ratchet, a couple of extension bars, and it also comes with a 5/8 spark plug socket. And you want to make sure you have this type of 5/8 socket. You don't want to use a regular one because this has a rubber boot inside of the socket. So you want to make sure you have the right socket. We are going to start off by opening the hood and removing the engine covers so we can gain access to the coils. To get to your spark plugs, you have to remove the coil pack first, and they're held on by 2 T30 screws. After removing both the screws, we're going to take the coil out, and over the years the coil tends to get a little stuck inside, so all you have to do is wiggle it while you're pulling it out, and it should come right out with the boot. Now just place the whole coil pack on the side. You don't have to remove the wire or anything. Now grab your 5/8 socket with your extension bar and your ratchet. Place it on top of the spark plug. Make sure it's completely pushed in and then slowly start opening it. And the biggest and most important advice I could give you guys for doing any spark plug job is to make sure that you're going as slow and as gentle as possible. Especially on more modern engines like this engine right here. It's an aluminum head and they very easily rethread, and if that happens, you're going to be in a big disaster. So to avoid that, just be slow and gentle. Do not force anything. Do not use any power tools, nothing like that. Just use your hand, and same goes when you're going to be reinstalling the spark plug. And now remove the old plug out of the socket and install the new one in. Just push it into place. And then with the extension connected to the socket, we're slowly going to drop the spark plug into the cylinder head. And again, do not push it or shove it in. Do not apply any pressure or anything. If it's spinning very easily, that means you guys are on thread and it's going on perfectly. And then completely hand tight it. Once it's completely hand tied in, you're going to grab your ratchet and just slowly give it about 1/4 of a turn or even less. And again, you're going to feel that it's tightened, and that's it. You stop right there, pull out your ratchet, and slowly take your socket out. And now reinstall the coil and the 2 screws. And that completes 1 out of the 8 spark plugs. I'm going to do the same for the remaining 7. And for the remainder of the job, I'm going to fast forward it and show you some different angles. So please follow along and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to change the spark plugs on your Mercedes Benz. And if this video helped you guys out, please hit the like and share button. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or want to enter the giveaway, please drop a comment down below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Thank you.